This team's a little bit of a disaster right now. That's an understatement in itself. But I think this could be a defining moment for Carson Wentz.
This Eagles team, they could be just like that Vikings team, really talented, a lot of experience, but if they don't get it together in week number 8, it is a real possibility that the postseason, they'll be at home like my Vikings were last year, even though they were a talented football team.
Well, it's been a tough afternoon, Mike. This is a game that the Eagles should have won.
What's wrong with the Eagles?
Situation is such that Deshaun Jackson, questionable with a groin. Alshon Jeffrey, questionable with a calf. Nelson Aguilar is in the concussion protocol. Tight end Dallas Goedert, questionable with a calf. And then Corey Clement just went into the tent. We'll have an update on him. But this is a mash unit down here for the Eagles.
Oh, when life gets hard, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Bit of our stomach right now, how sick we are, because this is going to shape our season right here.
Don't run away. Don't run away.
Get ready, everybody, because the horns keep dropping like